In the digital age, our lives are intertwined with technology, but within this digital ecosystem lurks a threat that can turn our tools against us: computer viruses. Today, we dive into one of the most insidious kinds, the BIOS virus, also known as the motherboard virus, with a spotlight on one of its most notorious examples, Lojax. Welcome to the dark side of computing. Section 1: Understanding BIOS and UEFI. Before we delve into the shadows, let's understand the stage where this drama unfolds. The BIOS, or Basic Input Output System, and its modern counterpart, UEFI, Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. These are the first pieces of code that a computer runs when it's powered on, responsible for starting up the system and handling control over to the operating system. Section 2: The Threat Within. A BIOS or UEFI virus lodges itself in the crucial starting point, infecting the very foundation of your computer. Unlike regular malware, which affects your operating system, a BIOS virus operates at a deeper level, making it difficult to detect and eradicate. It can survive operating system reinstallation and even hard drive replacements. Section 3: Lojax, the UEFI rootkit. Enter Lojax, the first publicly identified UEFI rootkit in the wild, discovered by researchers in 2018, crafted by the notorious hacking group Subnet, also known as Fancyware. Lojax took BIOS viruses to a new level. It wasn't just a theoretical threat, it was real, sophisticated, and used for cyber espionage. Section 4: How Lojax works. Lojax infiltrates the UEFI by attaching itself to the firmware, becoming part of the computer's boot process. Once embedded, it can download and execute malicious payloads undetected by traditional antivirus software, granting attackers persistent access to the infected system. Section 5: Protecting against BIOS viruses. Fighting back requires vigilance and specific strategies. First, always keep your firmware updated. Manufacturers release updates that can patch vulnerabilities. Second, enable secure boot in your system's UEFI settings, which helps prevent unauthorized code from running at boot time. And third, consider using antivirus software that provides UEFI scanning and protection. The emergence of BIOS and UEFI virus like Lojax marks a chilling evolution in cyber threats. But by understanding the battlefield and arming ourselves with knowledge and tools, we can stand guard against the silent assassins of the digital age. For more insights into the digital world's hidden dangers and how to protect yourself, subscribe to our channel.